everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Canva Pro subscription. So let's get started. Open up your Chrome browser and then in the search bar search for canva.com and then log in to your account. If for any reason you no longer want Canva Pro, maybe you started a free trial you don't want to pay for, or you simply want to cancel your subscription, here's how you can do it. So you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon right over here, tap on settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and simply press on billing under payment and plans, tap on billing. Here you will then be able to find an option that says cancel plan. Go ahead and tap onto it, and inside here you'll then be able to find a cancel completely button. Go ahead and tap onto it and then follow the on-screen instruction. Canva may ask you to submit a reason for cancellation. Go ahead and do that and submit it. Just like that, you'll then be able to cancel subscription on Canva. And that's it, your Canva Pro plan is now cancelled. You'll see a confirmation message showing when your access to Pro feature will end. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.